Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Today in this video we will discuss about the TP-Link wireless router setup process. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process and provide the seamless connectivity all of your workstation. Setting up a TP-Link wireless router involves a few straightforward steps to ensure a reliable internet connection and Wi-Fi coverage for your home or office. First of all, we will start with the product unboxing. The box includes the TP-Link wireless router itself, which is the main device for broadcasting your Wi-Fi signal. Alongside the router, there's a power adapter to provide the necessary power supply. An Ethernet cable is included for connecting the router to your modem or a wired device. You'll also find a quick installation guide with step-by-step instructions to help you set up the router quickly and easily. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power outlet. Turn on the router and wait for the power and internet lights to become stable. Connect your computer to one of the LAN ports on the router using an Ethernet cable. Connect your computer or smartphone to the Wi-Fi network of the router. The default SSID, network name, and password can be found on the label of the router. On your connected device, open a web browser and enter http://tplinkwfi.net or http://192.168.0.1 in the address bar. Enter the default login credentials, username, admin, password, admin, unless they have been changed. Follow the quick setup wizard to configure your TP-Link router. This will guide you through the basic settings including the internet connection type, Wi-Fi settings, and admin password. Select the appropriate internet connection type based on your ISP requirements and enter the necessary details. Set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password to secure your network. Check for any firmware updates through the web interface and update the router if necessary to ensure it has the latest feature. Change the default login credentials to prevent unauthorized access to the router's settings. Now your TP-Link wireless router will be set up and ready to provide a reliable internet connection. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.